Problems with blood circulation can be experienced at all ages. Poor circulation affects our blood flow, and usually manifests in our extremities. Commonly, poor circulation is a result from too much sitting, and weakened blood vessels. The symptoms may not be related to some serious health problems, but they are warning sign that there is something you need to change in your lifestyle. If you want to improve your blood circulation, increased physical activity is a must. But, if you don't have free time and energy to do this, be sure to check out the following natural remedies that can help you to solve your problem. Garlic. Garlic is very powerful vegetable that has endless list of health benefits. It can effectively improve your blood circulation, prevent blood platelet accumulation, and reduce high blood pressure. According to a study published in 2006 in the Journal of Nutrition, garlic is extremely beneficial for any cardiovascular issue. Moreover, it prevents the development of plaque in the arteries, which reduces the risk of atherosclerosis. Water. Proper water intake is very important for normal body function. Water hydrates our body, improves nutrient supply to the body cells, and stimulates digestion. It also alleviates elimination. People who work out may need to increase their water intake in order to keep the body hydrated. According to nutritionists, adults should consume 1.5 liters of water each day. Ginger. Ginger is a common kitchen ingredient that is very beneficial for blood stimulation and circulation. Regular use of ginger will prevent formation of blood clots, which will reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. This amazing root contains gingerone and gingerols, which are ingredients known for their warming effect on human body. Thanks to that effect, your blood circulation will be improved effectively. Cayenne pepper. Capsaicin is the active ingredient contained in cayenne pepper. This ingredient will stimulate the blood flow throughout your organs and body. Capsaicin will strengthen the walls of the capillaries and arteries. Also, it will alleviate symptoms related with poor blood circulation, such as cold feet, headache, tingling sensations in your legs, and pain. Essential oil from ginger, cinnamon and rosemary. The essential oil from these ingredients will expand your capillaries and will allow blood flow directly to the surface of your skin. This powerful essential oil will have thermogenic effect on your entire body. But, be sure to read the instructions on the label before you start using the oil for massage. Ginkgo biloba. This remedy is extremely efficient in the improvement of blood flow in your brain, and generally your body, which makes it a very powerful brain enhancer. You can buy Ginkgo biloba in form of pills or capsules. Fish oil. Another natural and healthy way to solve any circulation problems is with use of fish oil. It can significantly help your body to get rid of fat deposits on the arterial walls, which will improve your blood circulation. The fish oil raises the good cholesterol, or HDL, in your body. You can take it in a form of dietary supplements, or by eating fish at least once per week. Horse chestnut. Due to its numerous health benefits, horse chestnut is a very popular herb. It is particularly effective when the case is poor blood circulation. Esin, or esin, is the active ingredient that is contained in horse chestnut. This ingredient strengthens the capillary walls and reduces inflammation significantly,